Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this one, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to turn SafeSearch on and off in Bing.com. So basically, if you are using the search engine Bing, so if I wanted to go and use the search engine Bing.com, I don't know why you want to do this, but let's say you did. This is the search engine opened up here. You want to do a specific search here, and you want to make sure, especially that if you are using a device where other people in the household are using that same device and you don't want them to get access to explicit material, SafeSearch becomes really important, a really important option to use. So I'm just going to show you how to use turn that feature on and off in Microsoft Bing. But before I continue with this video, please like this video, please subscribe to my channel, please share my video to your friends and family. I will appreciate it immensely. So first and foremost, let's for example say you want to do a search for anything, but you want to make sure any explicit material is not showing in your search results. What you need to do to change those settings is go here to settings and quick links, left click there, go down to SafeSearch. Currently my SafeSearch is on strict at the moment, so making sure it doesn't show up any explicit material. So if I click on that, it will take you to the search page there. Now in the search page, the first option there is called SafeSearch. Now there's three options within SafeSearch. One is strict, moderate and off. Mine's currently selected to strict because I've got members of the family using this PC, I've got my children using this PC, so I want to filter out adult text, images and videos from the search results if they happen to be using Bing.com as their search engine. So you might be wanting to use strict to filter out any of those explicit material or content. The other option is moderate, so that one, the difference between moderate and strict, that will only filter out adult images and videos but not text from the search results. And the other one is off. So off is it's not going to filter out any adult content from any search result. So if you are responsible enough to go with that option, go with that option. But obviously if you're worried that other members of the family are using the PC, especially underage kids, under 18 kids, then I would strongly suggest filtering it out everything which is explicit, which is there, which is currently, which mine has been set to. Let's for example say you wanted to change it to moderate. Click on moderate, go down to the bottom. You got lots of other options to choose from. So obviously that's for another time, another video, but I'm just showing you in this video how to change your SafeSearch options. There's three options here: save, cancel and use default settings. So let's say I want to save it. It will change my settings from strict to moderate now. So every time I use Bing, the SafeSearch option would obviously have changed to moderate. So if I click on that again, change it back to strict, click on save, it's now saved my SafeSearch option to strict. And if I do a search for adult content just to be safe, you will see hopefully that nothing will show up in my search results. Everything to do or anything to do with adult content has been blocked using the SafeSearch filter. Now if I go back here, change my SafeSearch option to moderate this time, you can see, and click on save here at the bottom, you can see now obviously it will show just the filtered out, it will just show explicit text rather than images or videos. So obviously you can see here it's brought back some explicit content here in terms of the text, which I don't want it to display. So click on here, and best to be safe than sorry, if I choose strict again to ensure that's filtered out. So that's just a very quick and easy way to show you how to change the SafeSearch options in Microsoft Bing. If you are using that search engine, I would highly recommend you going into the SafeSearch option, changing the filter or the option to strict. One more time, click on here, the three lines, go to SafeSearch here, change the option to strict. It's best to be safe than sorry, especially if you've got kids using the PC. and it's a family computer, so you are ensuring any explicit content, videos, images are being blocked from any search results. I hope this video has helped you. I've also done similar videos on how to enable and disable safe search in Google Chrome. Please check those videos out if you happen to use that browser as opposed to using Microsoft Bing. So I've got another video, check on the videos in my video library. I will appreciate it. Please like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Take care.